Hello viewers, hi, welcome to my channel. I have been placed an order from Napoli and I'm doing an unboxing of it. If you want me to do the review of the product, please do comment so that I can do it in my next video. I'm so sorry about it. I've just opened it because I did not want it to get messed up. This is the thing. Actually, it's very neatly packed, so I did not have any trouble in this of packing. So this is the thing. They have there's some UK past, all that, whether the products are available or no. Let me open you and show you show you the product looks. Yeah, it's like this. And plus they have been mentioned everything here. What are the things that you are getting in this facial, and the amount also they have been mentioned. Actual amount is 2,299. It's given here, and what I have been got is 1,200. The delivery, to tell frankly, the delivery charges are too high from the Napoli. Due to this is the first time that I am purchasing from the Napoli. They have given me the off and they have given me the price what they are selling, that is 1,200. So let me show you what are the things that I am getting in this such a huge box. Yeah, what is this? Let me see. Oh, okay, this is a small voucher. If you want, you can register, or if you find anything about the product, you can give a complaint, and all the stuff of the details are being given completely. So let me keep aside this and let me see later what is this about. Okay, the first thing is that I am getting this NutriGlow Diamond Bleach. And the second thing is that I'm getting the tan pack. This is really required in the summer. This is so important. Yeah, my all-time favorite aloe vera gel we are getting. No, sorry, it's not a gel. It's a massage cream. Let me keep aside. And this one is a massager. If you want me to do a review on this, please let me know so that I can do it of this also. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, this is the things I'm getting. This. So let me keep aside. This is the thing, and they're giving me the user ID, the user of it, how we need to use all that to guide. And this is the facial that I have got. So sorry. Yeah, it's really very huge box. This is a facial kit. Sorry about it. This is a facial kit, and they have given us a NutriGlow with the skin toner worth of rupees 180. So let me see how it is going to be. Yeah, please do not forget to subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos, and the few videos I'm going to review on it. And these are the things which are used in facial: scrubber, cleanser, and what is this? So cute small box. It's so tight. Yeah, this is a diamond facial serum which is used in the last step, and which they mentioned on the box. What they're going to give you free is this diamond toner for the daily care. If you want me to do a review on this, the entire facial, let me know in the comment box, so that I would like to do it for you people. And plus, if you want me to do with the massager also, let me know. And even this detanning facial. That's it about today. Thank you, and please do subscribe my channel for the upcoming video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.